Hello, and welcome back to Greenest Thumb, the channel where we help you grow the greenest thumb in the neighborhood. I'm your host, Ralph, and today we're talking about the 10 common mistakes you should avoid when starting your garden this year. Are you ready to get your hands dirty and avoid some common blunders? First, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more gardening tips and tricks. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Not understanding your climate. Before you start planting, make sure you understand the climate you're working with. This will help you choose plants that will thrive in your area. Number 2. Neglecting soil preparation. The key to a successful garden is in the soil. Make sure to prepare your soil properly before planting. Add compost, organic matter, and soil amendments to create a healthy environment for your plants to grow. Number 3. Overwatering. It's important to not overwater your plants. Too much water can suffocate the roots and lead to root rot. Make sure to check the soil moisture level and adjust watering accordingly. Number 4. Planting in the wrong place. Make sure to consider the amount of sunlight and wind your plants will receive before planting. Some plants need full sun, while others need shade. Number 5. Not using proper tools. Investing in quality tools will make gardening much easier and more enjoyable. Make sure to have a good set of hand tools, pruning shears, and a watering can. Number 6. Not planning for pests. No garden is immune to pests. Make sure to research which pests are common in your area and have a plan to deal with them. Number 7. Not giving plants enough space. Crowded plants can lead to stunted growth and disease. Make sure to give your plants enough space to grow and spread out. Number 8. Not considering maintenance. Make sure to consider the maintenance requirements of each plant before planting. Some plants need regular pruning, while others need to be staked. Number 9. Ignoring companion planting. Companion planting is the practice of planting different plants together to help each other grow. Make sure to consider companion planting when designing your garden. And finally, number 10. Not having patience. Gardening is a long-term commitment, so make sure to have patience. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your garden. So sit back, relax, and watch your garden grow. And there you have it, 10 common mistakes to avoid when starting your garden this year. Make sure to tune in next week for more tips and tricks on how to grow the greenest thumb in the neighborhood. Bye for now.